I am not the ultimate fisherman. Are you kidding me? But I'm getting there. After a recent warm spell of daily temperatures topping out into the high 70s, spring has just about set in here in Alabama. So my buddy Leroy and I decided that it was a perfect time to try and go fishing. Of course, the day we chose marked the return of 30-degree mornings, so, you know, suboptimal. But we're going to try to make the most of what is Leroy's first fishing session of 2023. I, of course, have already caught my first fish of the year, and if you haven't seen that video, hit the subscribe button below and go check that out after we wrap up this session. We decided to come out here to Jordan Dam in Elmore County, Alabama. It's one of our favorite spots to frequent from the bank. And we're going to see if these raised water temperatures have activated any of the fish yet. Did you get one?
Yep.
Release. Just gonna flip it. It's like my button's frozen. Alright, I'm grabbing yours.
What happened to him? Inside of him.
Something got a hold of him.
Something had terribly happened to him.
Or maybe he got it in deep before you set the hook, and so you got him on the innards.
Even if I didn't want to keep him.
Nope, in the bucket. So I've got 3 of these little jig heads tied in tandem and with a little curly tail grub on each of them. If you've been on the channel before, you know this is my skipjack rig, and so we're just going to toss this around and see what's hanging out under here. Take that, skipjack. Huh? I snatched his butt out the water.
There you go. There's your skipjack.
Alright.
You were waiting on it.
Oh yeah.
Now you know.
Alright, so they're here. I didn't bring my cooler down here.
I was trying to keep it before.
Oh no! How's he going? Really?
Go down there real quick.
Stay. Come here. In here. Stay. Yeah, it's warming up. I say what kills me is the daggum water is way warmer than the air. When I reached down and grabbed that skipjack, he felt warm. Yep. I am gonna grab my net though before I forget. Oh. It ain't jumping.
I don't think I got a good hook set though, or whatever it is. Is it my buddy?
It is. You gotta steer him a little better. Alright.
Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
This is yeah, white bag, man.
What it look like. He ain't got a whole lot going on. This is a big white bass.
Yeah, that's exactly what he is.
Alright, so we've tried jigs and spoons, not getting a whole lot on it, so now we're going to break out the underspin with a little fluke on it. As you can see, this one has been through the ringer. It's been beat already, but this is one of my confidence baits, so we're going to toss it out here and see if this little fluttering spoon mixed with a floppy tail is not going to get us bit. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
There's no way. Look at that.
Yeah.
Get the net. Help me. What? You got to be joking. I was just looking at the action. I'd already reeled it all the way up and I was just kind of booping it in the water and he shot out from under the pier.
Yeah.
What on earth?
There you go.
Man, that's what it took. Something done tried to chew on him.
Yeah.
Got some toothy marks on him. Both sides. I think Gar tried to eat this one.
Yeah.
Nice old Alabama spot. We're gonna go over here and pretend to put him on Leroy's stringer. But he is not going on the stringer, he going back in the river. Play with the string for a minute and let him go. Alright, and I hope I got that on film, because that, I really did. I reeled it in and I kind of looked at it because it came up upside down. I was like, what the heck? So I was kind of just bobbing it around. Boom! He just came out and hit it. If it does it again, I'm just going to sit here. Uh-oh. As soon as you said that. I don't hear no drag.
No, ain't no drag.
Got you a drum. Hey, you want to know some good catfish bait?
Yeah, apparently. Won't be none of mine today. So I wondered that what's been hitting me so this whole time. A good bit of ass mouth. Stop it.
Alright, not the greatest day of fishing, but I mean, fish were caught between the two of us, so I mean, it's just a sign of good things to come. It's still early in the year. We got plenty of time to find these fish, get them located, get them patterned. But in the meantime, I had a lot of fun, and we're going to, of course, come back out at it every chance that we get. But until then, y'all have a good one.